Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a trademark on Amazon. Registering your brand with Amazon Brand Registry is a crucial step for any seller looking to protect their intellectual property and grow their business on the platform. It unlocks a suite of powerful tools designed to give you greater control over your brand's presence. We will walk through the essential prerequisites and the step-by-step application process, ensuring you have all the information needed to successfully enroll your brand and leverage its many benefits. Before you can enroll in Amazon Brand Registry, your brand must have an active, registered trademark. This trademark needs to be issued by a government intellectual property office in each country where you intend to enroll your brand. It can be either a standard character mark, which is text-based, or a design mark, which includes a logo. Crucially, the brand name you use on Amazon must exactly match the text of your registered trademark to ensure a smooth application process. Once your trademark is secured, the next step is to apply through the Amazon Brand Registry portal. You will need to sign in using your existing Amazon seller or vendor account. The application requires you to provide your registered trademark number, specify the intellectual property office that issued it, and upload any necessary documentation. You will also share information about your brand, including product categories and manufacturing details, which helps Amazon verify your brand's authenticity and ownership. Enrolling in Amazon Brand Registry offers numerous advantages. You gain access to powerful tools like the Report a Violation feature, which helps you protect your intellectual property and combat counterfeits. It also provides greater control over your product detail pages, allowing you to create a plus content and brand stores, significantly enhancing your brand's presentation. Furthermore, you unlock exclusive advertising options and valuable analytics, empowering you to better understand your customers and drive substantial business growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.